So Intel's one that I'd be avoiding right now. I think what I'm seeing right now is they're losing a lot of market share to AMD. And they're really forced right now to compete on price rather than innovation. So I'd much rather put my money in the companies that are competing on innovation right now. The companies I like right now out of that list, I like Salesforce. And I also like United Healthcare. So I think with United Healthcare, they've been punished under the prospect of potentially there being some Medicare for All plan that rolls out next year. And I think that plan is very unlikely. And I think there's definitely some upside with United Healthcare. And with Salesforce is another one that we like quite a bit. I mean, software is just a great area to be. You're looking at high margins, recurring revenues, and they just had a blowout quarter. I mean, they really hit the ball out of the park, and the stock hasn't reacted as positively as it should have. So I like those.
So for me, I'm always value-oriented. If I had to be in the semis, probably Intel would be where I go, but I don't have a lot of exposure. I did, however, I have Anthem. So, it trades very closely to UNH. And as you said, they were all sort of idiosyncratically hit on the Democrats all coming out in sort of a race to, have single-payer health care. That was an opportunity. I bought some Anthem, decently. I actually sold it. Sold part of it today. I'm pretty bearish. I really think we have not seen the effects of the trade war take hold yet. We just June 1st have goods landing that are now more expensive. We haven't yet seen those. I have a friend who makes supplies that Home Depot and Ace Hardware and Lowe's buy. They've gotten them. They're more expensive. They're about to pass those prices on to consumers. So we haven't seen that yet. I'm very concerned about that. So even though I'm value oriented, I am not inclined to buy here. The one thing I did buy, S&P puts, that VIX doesn't go down even with the markets going up. He could speak to that a lot better than I, but I want to own more protection. I don't think all clear signal is right now.
Let's get how quick the move has been, though, since oil got to that point where it actually made a little bit of a turnaround. Just in the last couple of weeks. Take a look at ExxonMobil. The thing was trading $70, and all of a sudden it's trading $75. That's a really big move in a short period of time for a massive company. So I don't think you always have to play the momentum. It's all about what is the backdrop right now. Is oil, has it bottomed? Has it actually hit a place that it's got support? It feels like maybe they have, and if that's the case, I think Exxon's got 81 on it very quickly.